Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. And well, Santa has been good to me today. I just thought I'd get on and show you all my little crafty Christmas presents. I got lots of presents that weren't crafty. I had some lovely presents, but I thought I'd get on and show you the ones that were craft related, because I know everybody loves a bit of yarn, etc. Well, I don't know how I'm going to show you this, but I got this, which is a tailor's dummy, and I did want one, so I'm absolutely over the moon with that, and it's going to live once I've managed to put her together. We'll give her a name and then she can live here in the yarn room with me, but I've got to clear all this stuff first. And I have no idea where I'm going to find room for all this stuff here. So I got quite most of the yarny stuff really is from Gary, apart from the tailor's dummy which Charlotte got for me, and something from Mike and Gemma there. The rest of the yarny stuff and stuff to do with crafts is from Gary. So I got this like knitting loom set, which I did fancy giving a try to, so I got that one. It's a round one, and the long one. I said to Gary jokingly when I saw it wrapped up that it got me a kite, but it's lots of looms, so I'm going to have some fun with those, learning how to use them for a start. But yeah, so round ones and long ones. So that was that. That was one thing I really did want to try. But I got quite a bit of yarn. And Gary has excelled himself yet again, like he did before. Wow, look at this lot. Now this is, I'm probably not going to say it right. Is it Nako or Nako? I have no idea how you pronounce that. Nako? Why don't they just call it something easy to understand? So let's just get one out. I've got a bit of, oh, it's sparkly, this. Didn't realise that. It is actually sparkly. Put that down on there for now, because I've got quite a lot of this. Now let's have a little light on the subject. This is 76344. Wondering if it's got a name. I was hoping it did. It's Nako or Nako Romantic Jacquard. I think it might have some mohair in it, I think. Premium acrylic, 77%. It's a bit of a foreign label, but look, isn't it lovely? It's got this sparkle, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there, and another 5 there. So it's something, I could make something huge with all this. Isn't it beautiful? It's called pinks and browns and rust colours, and it's just beautiful. Look at that. A lot of the Lurex this year has been gold, which is great. I like it. I like the gold. And the cat is trying to get out. Fluffy, stop scratching the carpet. There's a good girl. I can't get up and let her out because I'm just barricaded in with the dummy and yarn everywhere and stuff, because I have been blessed. This is gorgeous. This is also from Gary. It's super soft, cuddly, and it is just absolutely, look at this, so soft, it's unreal, just beautiful. Now a lot, 100% polyester, and I don't know, it's shade 6322, and I can't see a brand. Random Chunky it's called. Cuddly, super soft cuddly. But isn't it beautiful? Look at that. And there's quite a lot of that in here. I've got about 6 or 7 balls of this, and it all came in this one. So Gary is very good. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls. 7. So there's enough to make something quite substantial. I'm really struggling to keep it all together because You'll see why in a minute. One burst open and it was everywhere. Now this is gorgeous. This is really lovely. It's the Knitco Fashion Hand Knitting Yarn. 100-gram balls. But look at that. Isn't it stupendous? Finding new superlatives to describe yarn. But it is amazing. It's lovely and soft. It's beautiful. But look, it's all kind of wavy. Isn't that just funky? I love this. Now, I had Knitco once before. I did it in I did a few balls for a giveaway. It was just pastel, but they don't put a great deal of detail. It's like it says colour blank, dye lot blank. It's just made in Turkey. So all I know about this is it's mixed fibres, fashion yarn, and 100 grams. So looking at that, I would say it's a 4 weight. I don't think it's a 5. I think it's a 4. But it's got this twist of colours in it, look. Isn't it? It's just different, isn't it? I really like that. And there's a fair old amount of that in there as well, look. I've got one. I'm going to just try and get this out. Let's have a look. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's sealed. And an extra one makes 6. So there's 6 of those. We'll put that over there for now. And I just love that. Right, I'm going to keep that in that box. And then he got me this, which, how funky is this? Now this is obviously ice yarn. And I hope the lights are not dazzling you. It's summer yellow and black. But I don't know what, it's very weird. Sort of like a twist. It's probably got a name, but you know what it's like with ice. Let's get one out. Let's see if I can get anything off the label. They don't actually put much on the label. Yellow, black, acrylic, 125 metres. Put a label over it, but it's got yellow with a black twist and then black with a yellow twist. And I thought, as soon as I saw this, I just thought, I'm making myself a summer bag with that. Quite like it. Isn't it funky though? It's just different. I've never seen that before. And there's probably one of you out there that's going to know exactly what that is called. But it's kind of got this twist. See that strand there? I love it. Gary thought I didn't like it. He actually thought I didn't like this one, but I really do. And he got me quite a lot of it. And this one is flamingo, cotton and lace. Cotton and lace. Golden Treasures, Bobbly DK, 5 times 100 grams. And I don't really want to get one out. I've got 10 of them. So enough to make something again, something more substantial, perhaps. But he was a bit concerned I wouldn't like the colour, but I do. It's kind of gold. That was Gary. But he did let the cat out, so that's good. I don't know if he wanted to go in there or not. I'm trying to find more details, but I'm not really having a lot of success. I don't have much on the yarn bands, but I like it. Look, it's different, isn't it? Gold. So, who doesn't like a bit of gold for Christmas, huh? But there's more. Do you remember the Northern Lights that he bought me last year? Well, I got some more Northern Lights this year, but I got this beautiful greys. I absolutely love this Northern Lights. I've got one ball of the pink left, which I was, when I finish my wrap eventually, I was going to make something to go with it. So, wow. I've got 1, 2, more bags. Oh, this is the one that fell apart on me. 3, 4 of this absolutely gorgeous grey. So what does it say about this? 150 grams, James C. Brett obviously, and this is, the shade is NL09. We've got 450 metres, 492 yards, 95% premium acrylic and 5% viscose. And I absolutely loved this. It was beautiful. It was absolute joy to work with. Really, really liked the pink. And it had this, funnily enough, the yarn that I'm using at the moment, which is this one, actually works up very, very similar. You know, I said it kind of, when you're using it, it almost has a ropey feel, but it's so soft. Exactly the same. I reckon it's the same yarn, personally. So the one that fell apart then is just, I love that, so beautiful. This is the one that fell apart, and it was an ice yarn. The bag just disintegrated on us. But this is Picasso. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that shine. I've not had Picasso before. I wanted to try, you know that snazzy multicoloured one? That was the one I was kind of thought I might try. But I really like this one. It's so much better to have more subtle colours. They are vibrant and beautiful. There's all purples. I don't know if you can see the purple so much, but there is kind of mauves here and blues. And as you know, oh, I love blues. So there is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So they're 50 gram each. So there's 8 of them. But I just absolutely love this. And like I said, the bag just fell apart on us. So what does it say? Picasso purple shade. Very descriptive, but I can put that in there with the Picasso as it was. And there's more. There is more. This one I've never seen before, and but it's beautiful, and it's a King Cole shine. I mean, it is just, look how, wow, that is. It's just so shiny, lovely and soft. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 skeins of this, but it's amazing. Look at how beautiful that is. I would have, honestly, I would have chosen this one, definitely. It's called Quicksilver 137, the shade. It's 100 grams and 310 yards, 82 meters, can't see, 97% premium acrylic and 3% polyester. But just gorgeous. And I've got I think it's a 3 weight, you know, a DK. Did it say DK? Yep, there we go. Shine DK. But isn't it amazing? Didn't he do well, the boy, didn't he? Yes, he did. So then I had this kind of crafty related present from Mike and Gemma, and we've seen these around. It's just kind of cute. Oh, and I've got some smellies in there, but that was just, I needed somewhere to put it. So it's a crafter's mug, and it says crochet the armed hooker, one-armed hooker. Sorry, it's a light. There we go. And I think it says it exactly, yeah, on the other side. And there's a place there for you to put your hook in. And it's purple. Isn't it lovely? So I got 3 mugs altogether. 2 cat ones and a crafting one. So yeah, there's one more piece of goodies left to show you, I think. Didn't I do well crafty-wise, eh? Didn't I? And it's more Northern Lights. And, oh, but save the best till last. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? The most beautiful mauves. Oh, I love it so much. Still 150 gram ball. And the same as before. 450 meters, 492 yards, 95% premium acrylic and 5% viscose. And what does it say about the colour? Anywhere? Any colour? Ah, there we go. The shade is NL07. No name, but wow. It's all different purples. Look at that. And there's 4 of these as well. So, wowza. Didn't I do well? Got lots and lots of wonderful squishies for Christmas. And some knitting looms to try, because I really fancied having a little go with these. And I've got money as well. I did get a fair little bit of Christmas money, so I might just buy myself one of those little Addy knitting machines if I don't win crystals, which I probably won't, because I am the most unlucky person in the entire world when it comes to anything like that. So yeah, and I've got to put my girl up and find her a place to live, and then I can, when I do eventually make some wearables, I can put her up and use her to her fullest. So yeah, I've done so well, and that's just the Squishies and the Yarny Crafty presents. I actually did get lots and lots of fantastic gifts. I got an absolutely beautiful watch from Mike and Gemma, and some earrings. It's a little Radley one with a doggy on it, so it's really cute. And lots of things like bath bombs. Gary got me tons of those, and I got him loads too, so at least bath time I should be smelly and lovely. Lots of other stuff like that, lots of toiletries like Ted Baker bits and pieces, and some slippers and perfumes and a bag and 2 pairs of boots, and there's other things I've probably forgotten. Oh, chocolate. Didn't get loads, got some booze and some money, so I've probably forgotten bits, but they're all on the bed now. I need to find places for some fluffy socks from Gary that have got like paws in them, so you know when you've got they've got pads underneath and clawy paws on the top, so that's kind of cute. Got 4 pairs of those, so nice new fluffy socks, and I do wear them sometimes in the evening when my feet get cold, and yeah, so lots of lovely presents, but I only thought you'd want to see the squishy ones, so that's all I brought in. But I can't believe it. I just can't believe how lovely this is. I've never seen this one, so it kind of floats my boat really, that. It's just so, it kind of looks liney, but it isn't when you see it up close and personal, you know. It's just very, very shiny. Isn't it lovely? Now I've just got to figure out what to make with them. At least since I've got over the coronavirus, my Crochet is back in time for Christmas. And what am I going to make with this lot? It's a bobbly, got a bobbly vibe, see? That sort of crinkly. Nice and soft. It's all soft, it's all lovely, but this and the grey one, the 2 that I would have chosen. How about that? They did have a rainbow one. I've only ever seen it once, but they were out of stock, so strictly speaking, really see it. But I love this one. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope, so I thought I've missed one then, but it's just 3 more balls of this. So I hope you all had an absolutely lovely day, and got lots of squishies yourselves, and lots of crafty lovely presents. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll maybe see you soon for a live stream, little one, while the dinner cooks or something. So bye for now, everyone. Much love to everyone. Happy Christmas.